PFJL Chairman Chris Williams is describing the post which made the rounds on social media on Sunday as unfortunate. A document circulated showing the PFJL running at a major loss, but that was later refuted by its chairman.
The document, which was written by a member of a Premier League club and circulated like wildfire, stated there were mismanagement and overspending at the PFJL. But the PFJL hit back with a document of their own listing 6 historic moments and 5 facts. Among the facts were that the PFJL was running at a loss of $8 million and that clubs will indeed receive their prize monies. According to the PFJL chairman Chris Williams, the situation is an unfortunate one and doesn't help with sponsorship negotiations.
The first respect is the fact that it damages our brand as a league, and you don't want to have to go into these kinds of debates and discussions publicly with your brand.
Williams says the matter could have been discussed at the directors level instead of the public.
It certainly is an attempt to derail the progress that we've made in the first year, and that can't, we're hurting the young men.
Williams was challenged at Saturday's PFJL retreat by one of the clubs who called for all prize monies to be paid out.
I take that on the chin, absolutely. I welcome that. That's what board meetings are there for. Board meetings are there for. This is serious number crunching and financial discussions, and the meeting was heated at times. Absolutely, and that's what we want.
The question was also asked about the sponsorship promised to each club of $10 million from individual sponsors.
The contribution from the club sponsors was never intended to be fully allocated to the clubs. That because you have a league to run. So we sell the sponsorship packages on a club by club basis. All that money goes into one pool, and then we execute the league from that pool, and the surplus from that we distribute to the clubs.
The PFJL says there is $7 million in the bank and $36 million to be paid by sponsors in November. Of that amount, $29 million must be paid to loan partners proven. Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.